You've already graphed the parabola and found the major points. Let's make a table of values. We can start by plugging in the values that we know already from looking at the graph. We know the vertex occurs when x is 3 and y is 80. We also know the y-intercept occurs when x is 0 and y is 35. The first x-intercept occurs when x is -1 and y is 0. The second x-intercept occurs when x is 7 and y is 0. To finish the table of values, we're going to have to do some algebra. You can use any of the three equations given. I'm going to use the standard form. So I'm going to figure out what is the value of y when x is -2. Here's the standard form equation again. If I want to figure out what the value of y is when x is -2, I'm simply going to replace x with -2. Now that I've done that, I can simply go through the order of operations and solve. Or I can plug this directly into my calculator and get my final answer. To solve this, I'll do exponents first. After that, I'll do the multiplication. And then I just add all my terms together to get my final answer. So, when x is -2, y is -45. And I can fill that in on the table of values. So I can fill in my answer for when x is -2, and I can do the same thing for the rest of my values. Now you can complete the first differences for the table of values. As you would expect, the first differences are not all the same because this is a quadratic relation. We would expect that the second differences would all be the same. And they are. So since the second differences are all the same, we know that we did this right.